Every time you start your car, a complex dance of components springs to life, ensuring everything from your engine to your infotainment system has the power it needs. At the heart of this power delivery is your vehicle's charging system, a critical, yet often overlooked, network responsible for keeping your battery topped up and your electrical accessories functioning seamlessly. Without it, your car would simply be a very expensive paperweight. The primary purpose of the charging system is twofold: first, to replenish the energy drained from your car battery during starting, and second, to provide the necessary electrical current to operate all of your vehicle's electrical components while the engine is running. Think of it as the car's internal power station, constantly generating and distributing electricity. Your car battery, while essential for starting the engine, is primarily a storage device. It provides a surge of power to crank the starter motor, but it's not designed for continuous power generation. Once the engine is running, the charging system takes over, allowing the battery to recover and preparing it for the next start. The unsung hero of the charging system is the alternator. This mechanical marvel transforms the engine's rotational energy into electrical energy. Mounted on the engine and driven by the serpentine belt, the alternator is constantly spinning, much like a miniature power plant within your car. Inside the alternator, a rotor spins within a stator, creating a magnetic field that induces an alternating current, or AC. This AC current is then converted into direct current, or DC, by a set of rectifiers. This DC power is what your car's electrical system and battery require. Crucially, the voltage produced by the alternator isn't always constant. It varies with engine speed and electrical load. This is where the voltage regulator steps in. Its job is to maintain a steady output voltage, typically between 13.5 and 14.7 volts, preventing both overcharging, which can damage the battery, and undercharging, which leaves your battery weak. The battery, alternator, and voltage regulator work in a continuous loop. The battery provides the initial power. Once the engine starts, the alternator takes over, generating power. The voltage regulator ensures this power is delivered at the correct voltage to both run the car's electronics and recharge the battery, completing the cycle. Connecting these vital components is a network of heavy-duty wiring and terminals. The main output wire from the alternator carries the generated current to the battery and the rest of the electrical system. Proper connections are paramount. Loose or corroded terminals can severely impede the flow of electricity, leading to charging problems. Recognizing the signs of a failing charging system can save you from being stranded. Common indicators include a flickering or dim dashboard battery or charge light, dimming headlights or interior lights, slow cranking engine, or accessories that intermittently stop working. These are all red flags indicating potential trouble. When your car won't start, it's often a question of whether it's a dead battery or a faulty alternator. A simple test can help. If your car starts with a jump but then quickly dies, it's likely an alternator issue, as it's not recharging the battery. If it starts with a jump and runs, but won't start again later, the battery might be the culprit. One common issue within the charging system involves the serpentine belt. If this belt, which drives the alternator, becomes loose, worn, or breaks, the alternator simply won't spin. This immediately halts power generation, leading to rapid battery drain and eventually, a dead car. A faulty voltage regulator can manifest in various ways. If it fails open, the alternator might undercharge the battery. If it fails closed, it could lead to overcharging, causing battery acid to boil off, resulting in a distinct sulfur smell and potential battery damage. Both scenarios are detrimental to your vehicle's health. Corroded battery terminals or loose connections at the battery or alternator can mimic a failing charging system. Resistance built up by corrosion prevents electricity from flowing efficiently, starving the battery and the electrical system of the necessary current, leading to poor performance or complete failure. Basic maintenance can significantly extend the life of your charging system. Regularly inspect your battery terminals for corrosion and clean them if necessary. Check the serpentine belt for cracks, fraying, or excessive wear. Ensuring these components are in good condition can prevent many common problems. While some basic troubleshooting can be done at home, a persistent charging system issue often requires professional attention. Modern vehicles have complex electrical systems, and accurate diagnosis often requires specialized tools and expertise to pinpoint whether the alternator, regulator, or wiring is truly at fault. Understanding your car's charging system is key to its reliable operation. From the initial spark of the battery to the constant power generated by the alternator and regulated by its vigilant guardian, these components work in harmony to keep you moving. A healthy charging system isn't just about starting your car, it's about powering your entire journey.